Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. So I ordered DailyLook to arrive in the beginning of July and you know, a few days passed and nothing happened, so I was like, well, hey guys, what's going on? We're recording the video at the end of July. By the time you see this video, it will be sometime in August. Alright, without further ado, here's the DailyLook for August, if you will. I didn't really ask for anything in particular, but when you go on to their website, you could kind of look what they're gonna send you. You can take out 3 things, and it looked like everything in the box was for like a 90-year-old woman. So it'll be interesting to see what they replace what with, and if the things that they're sending anyway, because I couldn't change them, are gonna look good on me. So here we go. All right, here's the bundle. Let's see what they say. So glad to have you as a client today. I hope you're enjoying these boxes, but if not, leave me some notes. Hope you find today's box to be refreshing and fun. These items will be great to mix and match, but here's my 2 cents. So she gave me some ideas. I'm not gonna really go through that because it's just a bunch of recommendations and I'm sure that you would be bored to death and probably fast forward to where I'm trying stuff on anyway, so let's just go. Usually they have a box in another box. I'm kind of glad they didn't do that this time because it just feels wasteful to me. Return bag. All right, first item, and I will tell you right now, I would never wear this. It's knit, it's a vest, it's a thing, and I just personally find this to be something that I wouldn't wear. It's never looked good on me to have anything boxy because it just always does something strange to my figure. I don't know, it's really weird. All right, next thing. I like the style, I do not like the pattern. I don't know, it's like, you know when you change a baby's diaper? That's what it reminds me of. Bizarre. Here's another poop color. Why are they giving me these colors? These are not my colors. This looks really tiny, doesn't it? I'm sure it's like stretchy. This brand is Be Cool. I'll try. I mean, that is not something that I would ever try on because I know that there's so much orange in that it wouldn't look good on me. I don't know why they're sending me things, and I specifically, you put in what colors you don't want, and they're giving me those. Yellow, orange. Okay, this is Olivia Gray. This is kind of cute. I don't mind this so much. Olivia Gray tank. I like the back. It's got some interest going on there. It's cute. It's like beige and black. Although with the lights in my eyes, everything looks green. All right, this is also something I would never wear. I don't even know what this is. Is this a dress? Oh, it's like a see-through dress. I hope they sent me a slip. I mean, I do have a slip downstairs that I can wear with it. Skies are blue. I don't know, there's something about this box that's just kind of like weirding me out. I know fall's coming, but anyway. This is called Pinch. It's a dress and I really like the dress. I think it's cute. I'm gonna have to try it on, of course. Not bad. All right, this is another dress. It's blue. It's very basic. This is from Olivia Gray. Can you see how bored I am right now? GILLI dress. No, it's a romper. And can I tell you, I'm not gonna put this on. I do not wear rompers. I don't think anyone should. It's all a personal choice. But these look horrible on me, and I hate having to take off my entire outfit to go to the bathroom, especially in public. So I'm not even gonna try it on because I know I'm not gonna buy it, and what's the point? No thanks. All right, now we have a pair of black denim jeans. I do have black denim jeans already. I'm not sure if this is something I will need, but they're from Just Black, which is a great brand. They do fit me nicely. It's got that weird smell to it, like that weird dye that they use that's like kind of, I don't know. They're fine. All right, these are Sneak Peek high-rise flare jeans. Now, okay, so a few months ago, they sent me a box with flare jeans in them, and man, they looked so ridiculous on me. But these aren't as extreme looking, so I would have to try them on. You know, it's good to have some variety in your closet, but those jeans that they sent me that were so like flared out were just, that made me look like 2 feet tall. Oh, Please tell me these are not super flare. Cut from the cloth jeans. I don't know if I need another pair that look like this because I have a bunch of jeans that look like this. I'll try them on just to try them on, but I don't think I would need them. All right, this is Flying Monkey. Man, they sent me dresses and jeans. That's like the big thing. All right, Flying Monkey. These are all right. I'm gonna have to try these on. Got like the frayed bottom and it's got like some interesting hem where it goes up a little bit there. Don't know if you can see that, but well, I'm gonna try all these on and I'll be right back. Here is outfit number 1. And like I said, this color is not something I ever pick out. This is the Be Cool Ruched side knit tank. And it's got like, you know, all this. I don't like it. And if I saw this in the store, it looks like something you buy at H&M for 15 bucks. And the real price is $68, which I think is a ripoff. All right, here we go. These jeans are cute. I like them. These are the Sneak Peek high-rise slim straight jeans. They look kind of bootcut, which is fine with me. I wish I never got rid of any of my bootcut jeans. Now I know. The only thing is it has a slit right here. I have enough jeans that have holes in them. I kind of want to get some jeans that are less holey. They're fine. I would say if I saw these in the store, quality-wise, they feel like they're about $75. And the real price is $95, which is okay. I've obviously spent more on jeans, but like I said, I would get them, but I'm tired of having so many holes in jeans. I want to have some alternatives. On for the next outfit. Outfit number 2 is the BCBG, remember this? The diaper changing time shirt. But it's, you know, this is probably called the side ruched tank. I like the style, I just don't, this is bothering me. This poopy color, pea color here, I think it's just totally wrong. If I saw this in the store, I would say, again, this is like just so ugly. I'm just looking at it from that standpoint that it may have been $30. I'm sure it's way more. And the real price is $68. I wouldn't pay $68 for this top because I just think this is an awful pattern, color, whatever. In any case, these jeans are the Just Black shorts. They're denim. They fit nice, they're fine. I just feel like they smell kind of funny. They've got like that weird cheap dye smell about them. So I'm gonna have to pass on these, but if I saw these in the store, I would say they're around $50. And the real price is $78, which is okay, I guess. They smell really weird. Like, if you know, you know. Next outfit. Right now, I am wearing the GILLI sweater vest. I think this is hideous. I don't know who would wear this. I mean, there's some people who look good and stuff like this. I just feel like it's whatever, you know? I just feel like it's like, you didn't know what to wear, so you put this on and then you regret it afterwards kind of feeling. If I saw this in the store, I would say it's $49.99 on sale, and the real price is $68. There's a lot of $68 going around right now. Maybe that's the price of everything. The next item is the Flying Monkey jeans. You know, they're fine. They're cute. They've got a cute little bottom. They don't feel like they're $100 jeans. They feel like they're $50 jeans. And the real price is $128. I don't feel like these are like up to par with $128 jeans. They just don't, like, they're riding up really weird here. They don't fit well in this area, so I'm gonna have to forego these. $128 seems a little steep for the quality of these, but you know, things are getting more expensive, so who knows. Next outfit. This is called the Olivia Gray Sleeveless Racerback Cami, and I love it. I think it's adorable, and I especially like how it fits, and I like the back. I think it's cool. You know, it's not just like everything else. The thing I also like about Racerbacks, these don't just keep popping off. You know what I'm talking about. I really like it. I think that if I saw this in the store, I would say it's about $68. And the real price is $68. See? Everything's $68. All right, these are the cut from the cloth jeans. They have like this button fly. They're very comfortable. These are the kind of jeans that, you know, you think of when you want to just put on a nice cozy sweater and some comfy shoes and walk around town. And I would say these are about $78. The real price is $128. I'm on the fence, but I definitely like the top. I'll be back. This is the Skies Are Blue printed front button dress, and I think it's kind of weird that it didn't come with a slip, but luckily I have my own. So I put the slip on with this. I'm just not feeling it. I feel like it looks weird on me. I don't think it's very flattering. I don't think it's high quality because I can see where the seams are. They're just sticking out really strange. And the fact that it's see-through and it didn't come with a slip, I don't know if they forgot to send it or if it just doesn't come. I think it's kind of bizarre. Anyhow, how much is this? I would say it's about $78 if I saw it in the store, and maybe somebody will look good in it. And the real price is $128. I don't think it's worth it only because I don't think it's high quality. I don't think it sits well, and it didn't come with a slip. On the website, in the picture, it is shown with a slip. Really strange. On to the next one. So this is the Pinch long sleeve dotted mini dress. Now, first of all, it's not long sleeve. It's 3/4 length. There's a difference. I think it looked better on the hanger than it does on me. That's not to say it's not a cute dress. I have a dress that's similar to this that looks 1,000 times better on me than this ever would. I know what they're trying to do with it. I just don't think it fits me right. So if I saw this, I would say it's about $100. And the real price is $128. It seems like everything's like $128 or $68. Like I said, I'm not trying on the romper, so I only have one more thing to try on, and I'll be right back. They probably want to call it the shirt side sleeveless dress because it's very weird right here. And I don't like it. It's from Olivia Gray. It's just not made well. Like, this sticks out, puckers out really weird. And yes, people do go to a seamstress to get things done, to fix things. But I don't, I think that if it doesn't fit me right in several different places, it's not worth getting, because that means I'm gonna spend more money getting it altered than I am buying it. Anyhow, if I saw this in the store and I didn't try it on, I would say it's about $80. If I did try it on, I would say it's about $60. And the real price is $78. So I was pretty close. All right, so I'm just going to put my regular clothes on and I'll be right back with final thoughts. Alrighty. Now I'm not gonna go from least favorite to most favorite because most of these things were just my least favorite. And they pretty much tied with most of the tops. So we're gonna start with this one. I don't understand this look. It's like Mr. Rogers meets hell. Yeah, no. And then there's this top that was from BCBG. Like I said, these poopy color, diaper changing color. Isn't that just weird? This is a horrible color for me. I would never pick something like this. Some people look good in it. I don't. But it's the Be Cool top with the side ruching, ties, if you want to get it. I mean, it was cute. The color is just awful on me. These jeans were okay. They just didn't fit properly. I think that they have a cute concept. I like that the bottom has something a little edgy, but overall I found that they were just not fitting properly. Flying monkey. They were all right. Nothing to write home about. This I couldn't understand because it didn't come with a slip, even though the picture on the website, the dress does have a slip, so I find that to be really bizarre. So I guess they must have forgotten to put it in. The cute thing about it, it does have like this little gold lame stitching in it. You can barely see it. But other than that, it just didn't fit right. It just was just kind of weird, The skies are blue if you want to get it. But just black. Like I said, they smell weird. These jeans were cute. These were the Sneak Peek jeans. And they were straight-legged, even though they kind of look like a boot cut. Like I said, I have so many jeans with holes in them that I'm just like, I kind of just want to have like non-holy jeans for a change. This dress, I understand what they're trying to get with it. It's like that Love Stitch fancy kind of brand, but like way cheaper. Pinch. But it just didn't sit right. It didn't fit right. It wasn't as flattering as it looks when it's on the hanger. So I was a little bit excited about it, but after trying it on, I was like, eh. This dress, I like the style. I mean, I think it's cute. It's one of those dresses you can just throw on to go somewhere because you don't know what to wear and it's really easy. But it wasn't made well. Like it's not like made well around the armpit area and made well around the edges here. It's just really, really poorly constructed. So we're going that. I love these jeans. I just have so many jeans that are this color. Had they been darker or lighter, I would have gotten them. They're very soft. They feel really good. I think that they're definitely worth the price. If I buy another pair of jeans this color, I think I'm gonna go insane because all my jeans are this color. So yeah, I'm looking for something a little bit lighter or darker than this. That's the only reason why I'm not getting them, but they're very nice. Finally, I'm getting one item. This is the Olivia gray tank. It has the Racerback. This was super cute. It fit me really nice. I think it was made nicely, and I definitely love it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns about any of the items in this box, leave a comment below. I will let you know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know when my next video comes up. Bye!